We're going to be using SOHCAHTOA to find the length of the side of a right triangle. In using SOHCAHTOA, it's best to work through these two steps. Ask yourself, what sides do you have? What do you need? And that will specify what you do, keeping in mind the acronym SOHCAHTOA. Step number one, it's important that you label the opposite, the adjacent, and the hypo. So we start with the angle that we're working with, that's 53. So in this case, we go across. That forces the 11 to be opposite. And next to 53 would be x. That would be our adjacent. And of course, there's our right angle, and across from the right angle is our hypo. Now, we look at what we have. We have the opposite side. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to say we have the opposite side. We are looking for the adjacent side. That's our x. So we're looking for the adjacent side. Now, take a close look. We have an O and an A, and we ask ourselves, what goes with OA? OA, opposite and adjacent. In this case, it's tangent. So we're going to be using the tangent ratio. So we know tangent of 53 degrees equals the opposite, which is 11, over x. I'm going to go ahead and solve for x here. Let's keep tangent 53 as a unit over 1. You cross multiply. So I have 1 times 11 equals the tangent of 53 times x. To solve for x, we simply divide by tangent of 53. So to solve for x, I'm going to take 11 and divide by the tangent of 53. So we come up to our calculator, and we take 11 divided by the tangent of 53 degrees, and we get, in this case, 8.28909. Says round to the nearest hundredth right there. So we go to the second place, and that's 28, and that's a 9, so that's going to be 29. So it's 8.29. 8.29. You have to be very careful with Alex here. It is very detailed, and there are no units to consider, so 8.29 is the answer.